Hi, Ron Benning and Sean Milam back with another tour of our new triplex listing on 429 Vincente Way in Stockton. In today's video, we're going to do a walkthrough of the property. First, we'll start with the outside of the building, and then we'll look at the interior. After we take a look at the property, we're going to take a look at some of the financial information about current and potential rents on this property. If this is your first time to the channel, please take a minute to subscribe if you'd like to be kept up on everything that's happening in investing in the Sacramento, Stockton, and Central Valley area, and to see other video tours of property. If you look down below the video, you're going to see links to all of the information that we talk about on today's videos, and for comparison's sakes, you will see a list of all the other multifamily properties in the area. Whether you're thinking of buying or selling in 7 days or 7 months, we'd love to hear from you by phone, text, email, or set up a Zoom meeting with you. We hear from people every day just like you, and we look forward to helping you make a smooth investment purchase or sale. Let's have a look. We wanted to just kind of give you a better look about what the neighborhood's like. There's a lot of houses in this neighborhood. One of the things that we always like is if we have a multifamily unit that's surrounded by a lot of single family in the area. Here's the carport, 429, 431, 430. Now that we've looked around the property a bit, let's talk a little bit more about the income side of the property. The property currently has one unit leased for $1,595 a month. According to Rentometer Pro, the average rent in this area for a 2-bedroom is about $1,659 per month. The nice thing about having the 2 vacant units is that you're free to select your own tenants. You don't need to worry about struggling to bring rents up to fair market value now that there's rent control. Assuming you rented the 2 vacant units at the Rentometer 50th percentile, you'd have a gross scheduled income of $58,956, which translates to a GRM of 11.02. We divide the list price by the gross scheduled annual income to get the GRM. This is very competitive given the good condition of the property. Now let's take a quick look at some of the expenses for the property. The current insurance is $1,921 a year. Some other expenses based on the owner's recent general ledger are trash is about $108 a month, water and sewer ranges from $204 to $260 a month, and the landscaping is $125 a month. If you want some help calculating a proforma cash flow on a property, feel free to reach out to me, or you can look down below for a link where we have a free tool and a tutorial on how to do proforma cash flow analysis. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I've done my best to provide you with all the key information that I would want if I was a buyer to help you make an informed decision. Give me a call, text, or email so I can answer your questions about this property. Or if you want to write an offer, I'd be happy to hear from you. I look forward to talking with you soon or seeing you on my next video.